I'll be talking about what is a resume and what is a cover letter. So they look like this, but what is it? What is the purpose and everything from? So this is a resume. This is somebody's real resume, and this is a cover letter. This is one of my old cover letters. What is the purpose? What are they needed for? So a resume is a document, usually 1 to 2 pages, that includes your name, your contact information, your work history, your education, your skill set, as well as it having a summary or objective, your accomplishments, and credentials. Again, it's only 1 to 2 pages. 2 pages max is the rule of thumb. A resume is a quick marketing tool to present your value to potential employees, as well as in addition to applying into jobs. So, this is my definition on what a resume is. A resume is, just think of a billboard, and when you're driving, whether you're in city or if you're on the freeway, think about all the billboards that you see. The billboards are created to get your and grasp your attention so that you can basically either you're going to make a sale, buy in, or do something. It's going to make you react or do nothing. Or like me, you're just going to keep on passing. Like, oh, I didn't know they had a billboard. But all in all, you have seen billboards before, so it's grasping your attention. So that's the same thing you do with the employers, the jobs, and everything that you apply to. You want to grasp the recruiter's attention, the manager's attention, the supervisor, whoever is looking at these resumes, so that you can put it in front of them and say, this is my billboard. This is why my qualification, my skills, my experience meets the job post that you put out. Your billboard matches my billboard. Their billboard is the job details and everything. So, a cover letter is basically an introduction to your resume. So, the introduction is just basically the same thing. It's going to have your name, it's going to have your contact information, who you're addressing it to, like what company you're addressing it to, and it will have your introduction about how you find out. Usually, it's how you find out about your job, the position, and everything, and how a couple of key points on how you meet the qualifications again in that is no longer than a page. It is maybe a paragraph or two, depending, because you can have a basic cover letter or you can have a professional cover letter as well. So again, the resume is your billboard, and the cover letter is the introduction to your billboard. Okay, so hope that helps and be job ready.